Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal and Metal and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Hot Wheels cars from I think 3 years ago. The packs are dated 2015. These are the only two that were offered for the movie Christine. If you're unfamiliar with Christine, you got to check it out. To me, it's one of my favorite horror movies of all time. It's a John Carpenter movie, so you can't go wrong with that. And these are two of them that I didn't have in my collection. I had some Auto World Christines. I passed on, I think one time in the store I seen Buddy Repperton's 67 Camaro. For whatever reason I didn't pick it up. And I think I might have seen Christine one time. Don't know why I never bought it, because now I had to pay big money to get a hold of Christine. Not so much for I didn't pay much for the Camaro, but the Christine, they go for a good bit of money now. I thought, well, I want them anyway, so I'll get them to check them out for the channel. So let's go ahead here. I already pre-slit the packs. We'll go ahead and open Buddy Repperton's 67 Camaro first. And the 1958 Plymouth Fury, which the actual movie car I believe was a Belvedere. But they'd kind of disguised it to look like a Fury.
Watch this. Let's give this asshole some of his own medicine. He's backing up too. Some shithead's following me! I just hope he comes in here! Cunningham? Can't be. Look at my car! Come on, prick! We're not finished yet! Come on!
First, we'll take a look at the 67 Camaro, which would have been powered, I believe, by a 350 V8. This does feature hurricane-style wheels. The actual movie car was, I believe, they were late 70s Western turbine wheels with Remington tires. Now, the Hot Wheels here has Goodyear tires, which any white letter tire on a Camaro, it's going to look really cool. I'm not sure how correct this paint code is. It does look pretty correct. Online it's listed as light blue. To me it's almost like a charcoalish, kind of like almost a gunmetal light blue, if that makes any sense at all. Obviously the movie car didn't have zoomy pipes like that, but it did have the black stripes. And it looks like we have a little issue here with the tampo in the front. Not sure what's going on there with that. And of course Buddy's car had the RS style, I believe, headlamps in the front. So this is using the original Camaro mold. The paint's actually pretty nice. You can see there, it looks pretty decent. Tampos on the back look really nice. Pretty cool.
Look at my car!
Okay, we'll bring Christine in and take a look at that. Both of these do have metal bases, which is nice, and they have the Real Riders tires, if you're unfamiliar with that. This is pretty heavy. This looks pretty accurate. We have the correct license plate on it from the movie. CQB 241, I believe it says. This does not feature any openings. Paint's just so-so on it. Let's bring in the Auto World and compare them size-wise. Pretty much identical. This Auto World has the dark, evil windows, and the red is a lot darker red. And of course you can open up the hood on the All World. The All World is just, it's a night and day difference between like the attention to detail with the grille. It's pretty much blows away the Hot Wheels version, but at one time the Hot Wheels version and the early Johnny Lightning cars were pretty much some of the only ones you could acquire in 1/64 scale, I believe, if you were a Christine fan. And we can even bring in the unrestored Auto World, which that one's incredible. The Hot Wheels just really can't compete, but it's a Hot Wheels, and Hot Wheels cars in my eye are legendary, and you gotta have some variety in your collection. And there's sometimes you're gonna have the Hot Wheels cars are just not gonna be as detailed as some of these other newer brands, obviously. But I always wanted to have the Hot Wheels Christine, just never got around to it. I did have the White Fury, I believe, or it was a Belvedere. I think I gave it away in one of the contests, I forget, but overall it's not bad. Like I said, I had to pay an arm and a leg for this one, so I'm not sure if it was worth it or not off of eBay, but it's cool now to have it alongside my Auto World Christines. So there you go, there's the two vehicles from the Christine collection of Hot Wheels. It's a shame that they never made the 1968 Dodge Charger that Dennis drove in the movie. I'm not sure why they did that, and that was kind of a disappointment that they never came out with that, because that would have been a pretty easy casting to come up with and throw it together. And I think that had the Hurricane wheels on. That was the same style as what's on the A-Team van, I believe. So it wouldn't have been hard to or just use the same wheels that's on the Camaro here. They're kind of similar to the Hurricane / turbine style wheels. So anyway, I thought you guys might like that. Some of you may have never seen this, but probably many of you guys out there are Hot Wheels fans have seen these. I just thought it'd be cool and I'll add these to my collection. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye now.
Prick, we're not finished yet!